A healthy family is a wealthy and strong family. What is the greatest wealth a family can have? Is it a beautiful house? A successful career? A large bank account? These things can certainly make life more comfortable, but there is something far more valuable: the health, love, strength, and unity of your family. Because a healthy family is not only wealthy in possessions. A healthy family is wealthy in love, wealthy in joy, and strong in every season of life. Heart, family, together. A strong family begins with spending time together. In our busy world, it is easy to become distracted by work, phones, social media, and responsibilities. But sometimes the most valuable moments are the simplest ones: eating together, walking together, talking together, laughing together, and simply being present for one another. Family time doesn't have to be expensive. A simple walk around the neighborhood can become a beautiful memory. A healthy meal around the dinner table can become an opportunity to connect. And a few encouraging words can make someone's difficult day a little brighter. Heart, healthy choices. A healthy family also learns to make healthy choices together. Choose nutritious foods, drink enough water, get enough rest, stay physically active, and make time to care for your body. Parents can become examples for their children. When children see their parents choosing healthy habits, they learn that taking care of the body is important. Remember, healthy habits don't have to begin with big changes. Sometimes it begins with one healthier meal, one family walk, one extra glass of water, or choosing to go to bed a little earlier. Small daily habits can create a healthier future. Strong together. Life will not always be easy. Every family faces challenges. There may be financial struggles, disagreements, disappointments, or difficult seasons. But a strong family doesn't mean a family without problems. A strong family is one that faces problems together. When one family member is struggling, the others offer support. When someone falls, someone reaches out a hand. When someone feels discouraged, someone gives encouragement. And when life becomes difficult, the family reminds each other, "We are not alone. We will get through this together." Strong in faith. For families who believe in God, faith can become another foundation of strength. Pray together, give thanks together, encourage one another, and trust God through both good times and difficult times. As Proverbs 3:5 reminds us, "Trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not unto thine own understanding." A family that grows together in faith can find strength, hope, and peace even when circumstances are uncertain. True wealth. True family wealth isn't measured only by what we own. It is measured by the love we share, the memories we create, the health we protect, the values we teach, the kindness we show, and the strength we give one another. You may not be able to give your family everything in the world, but you can give them something priceless: your time, your love, your encouragement, your presence, and your example. So today, let's remember, a healthy family is a wealthy family. Not necessarily wealthy in money, but wealthy in love, health, happiness, faith, and togetherness. Let's choose to walk together. Let's choose healthier habits. Let's choose to listen. Let's choose to encourage. Let's choose to forgive. And most importantly, let's choose to grow stronger together. Because when the family is healthy, the family becomes stronger. And when the family is strong, everyone has a better foundation for life. Strong family, healthy family, Balanced family, better life. This is Strong and Balance. Live better every day. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until we meet again, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and make every day a better day. Heart, pray.